I just broke the frame of my bike. My jacket fell from here. It went into the wheel and my fork snapped where there is the attachment of my front rack. So I don't think I can continue my trip. It's just a bad period. It's just a bad period. So yeah, the little meltdown, it's over. It's now time to find a solution. I already sent Bike Cafe guys a message that I broke my fork. We'll see if they can help in any way or form. So this is the problem. That's where my jacket fell from here. Somehow it went in here. It spinned and it snapped my fork. It snapped my fork there where there is the attachment. The eyelid for the fork. And there's no other way I can make this fork work. I cannot use this one. Yeah. So now this somehow got. Let's fix this one first. I don't know if I can turn this around. No, I don't think so. Well, let's try to get to Walvis Bay. I'll try to get to Walvis Bay, regroup, and try to find a solution. Shit happens every day. It's part of an adventure, I guess. Couldn't happen anywhere, but no, in the Namib desert. Okay, now I lost this bolt here. That I will need to replace it for tomorrow. It's the vibration in the road. The sun is setting. I'm very close to the road. The road is just there, behind the tent. There is a car coming, so they can see me. So a little explanation of the meltdown earlier. Those have been 3 challenging weeks. First of all, I broke loads of gear. I broke my stove pump. It's compromised, and I thought I had every possible part to replace, but I realized most of my maintenance kit it's missing. I don't know what it is. Then I broke my tent several times. There are more holes than I would like to in my tent, with the sandstorm crossing from the day that I got to Namibia. My tent kind of imploded. It was a mistake, but there it is. Then I broke a dry bag. I broke the holder of my anything cage that I showed you this morning, and today I broke the eyelet that supports the front rack on my fork, and but also when I left Luderis, I lost a very important person. So I've been in my head a lot in the last 10 days. It was a person that was sort of my guardian angel. I would talk to every day if I had internet connection, sometimes even if I didn't, with my satellite tracker. It was a person that in the last year became to be instrumental for the success of my adventure, with moral support, logistics, supplies deliveries, and I had to deal with the loss. And then some other personal things went on. But it is a very challenging period. It's been very challenging, and now I don't know what I can do. I don't know if it's possible to weld the eyelet on the fork, if I need replacement. It's lately I don't seem to be very lucky in this trip. And I was never the luckiest person. I had problems with every possible animal, and I had loads of gear that broke. But yeah, life happens and you have to deal with it. And so I will just fix this and continue as strong as possible. It would be nice to have a little break where everything goes smooth, or where I can rest for a while. But anyway, I'm privileged that there is loads of people that helps me. So yeah, tomorrow it's another day. Hopefully I'll get to Walvis Bay, and I'll start working on sorting this mess out. So for now I'll try to rest, have a bit of food, and sleep. It's about 30 minutes after sunrise. There's the sun, and I'm about to start my day. I got up at 6:30, packed my things, had a bit of food. Now let's get to Luderitz and fix this. Got some tailwind. I'm making good progress to Walvis Bay, and yeah, the road changed direction, so now I'm getting tailwind. Hopefully it's gonna last for a while. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna last for a while, and oops, maybe not. The road is changing to the right. Okay. I can see Walvis Bay down there. This should be it. I'm still like 35 kilometers away. But today is a good day, you can see that far.